Now, a common question is if Wealthy Affiliate is actually overwhelming for beginners or it can be overwhelming. I would say the answer is yes. I think Wealthy Affiliate can be overwhelming for some people just because there's so much information, so much content to help you on your journey that you might feel like a little bit overwhelmed of like, oh my God, there's so much stuff here. But at the same time, it's really easy to follow along. Like they've organized everything in a way where you can just go step by step through the classes and you'll know which classes are the right ones for you. They've divided up the topics, like if you want to start with YouTube or if you want to start with social media marketing or email marketing, right? There's just so much information here. It's still beginner friendly because of the way it's organized. And so I think Wealthy Affiliate is still a great program, but it can be overwhelming for some people. Now, if you want to try Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, they have a free plan where there's no credit card required. It'll give you a taste of whether or not affiliate marketing blogging is for you. And so you can decide if you want to continue with this or not. So you can sign up for free using the link in the description. But how good is affiliate marketing? At least, when you compare it to the alternatives. Click this video on your screen and I'll tell you.